How to set a route plan for an asset in the FMT control panel. Go to falconmegatrack.com website, log into your FMT account, and click on Login. Click on the Asset Map and Route Monitoring. Open the drop-down menu and select an asset. Click on Draw a Polygon to create a route plan for the asset. Click on the map to start drawing the route. Click again on the last point to finish the route. Enter the route name and X-track value. X-track is the distance in nautical miles that defines the margin for the asset around the route line. Click on Update. The route has been created successfully. The asset is not assigned yet. To assign the asset, click on Assign. Remember, one asset can be assigned to only one route, but one route can be assigned to multiple assets. Select the asset and click on Update. The asset has been assigned successfully. Click on View to view the route. Click on Edit Layers. Zoom in on the map to view and adjust the route accurately according to navigational details. Drag the handlers to edit the route. Click on Save to save the changes. The route has been edited successfully. How to create a route manually for an asset. Click on Create Route Manually. Enter the route name and latitude and longitude according to the selected format. Click on Add. Please select the specified format before adding coordinates. The coordinate has been edited successfully. Add other coordinates as required. If you want to edit the listed coordinates, double-click on the coordinate to edit it. To delete a coordinate, click on the red cross icon. Add other coordinates as required. After adding all coordinates, click on Save. The route has been created successfully. The asset is not assigned yet. Click on Assign, select the asset, and click on Update. The asset has been assigned successfully. How to edit route manually for an asset. Click on View. Click on Edit Layers. Click on the circle points to edit the coordinates manually. Click on Save to save the changes. The route has been edited successfully. How to export the route. In the Routes tab, go to the options of the route you want to export. Click on Export. Select the required coordinate format and click on Download. Open the downloaded file to view the coordinates in the selected format. How to import a route. Click on Import Route. Enter the route name and choose the file from your device. Select the coordinate format of the file and click Import. The coordinates have been imported successfully. The route is not assigned to any asset yet. Click Assign. Select the asset, and then click Update. The asset has been assigned successfully. How to delete an assigned route. Click on Assign. Remove the selected asset from the route. Click on Update to confirm the changes. The asset has been successfully unassigned. Next, click on Delete. And click on OK to confirm the deletion of route. The route has been deleted successfully. How to edit or update a route name. Click on Edit to modify the route name and X-track value. After making the necessary changes, click on Update to save them. The route name has been updated successfully. How to create a copy of a route. Click on Copy. Confirm the action by clicking OK. The route copy has been created successfully. How to create an area for an asset. Click on Circle to draw a circle area on the route. Enter the area name and select the report action. Click on Update to save the area. The area has been created successfully. The area is not assigned to any asset yet. Click Assign. Select the asset, and then click Update. The asset has been assigned successfully. Go to the map and click on Rectangle to draw a rectangle area on the route. Enter the area name and select the report action. Click on Update to save the area. The area has been created successfully. To create a custom-shaped area, select Polygon. Click on the route to start drawing the area. Once completed, enter the area name and select the report action. Click on Update to save the area. The area has been created successfully. How to test the area or route for an asset. Select the area and click on Test. Drag the marker along the route line to test whether the vessel is on track or off track. Drag the marker inside or outside the shape to test the area. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.